Oh, got some garbage out here. Let's see if I can, got one. Nice, nice one. Well guys, welcome to the Salty Strikes Fishing Channel. I'm Chris and this is Lily, and we got our pink on for breast cancer awareness. And it's that time of year again, but this is just after Hurricane Ian kind of ransacked the Central Florida. So I came out to check on my boat, and I figured, like, you know, I live in Central Florida, so figured while I'm out here I'd get on the water and see how the fishing was, and see if the old wives' tale of, you know, after a storm the bite gets hot. We go around and check out some of the aftermath here, and we get on some fish. So if you want to stick around and check that out, stay tuned. All right guys, we are out here by the jetties and we are by ourselves. The water's still really murky and muddy from the storm, but we're gonna just, I got a shrimp today, so we're gonna start dropping these down and see if we can't find some mess. 3/0 circle hook, big old shrimp. Check them down. Got a little something here. What do we got? Uh-oh. What do we got? Oh, catfish. Freaking the catfish. What the hell are catfish doing out here at the jetty? That's pretty rare for me to catch a catfish at the jetty. I know all this fresh water being rushed out the inlet is, man, you can see it. You can see the salt and fresh water mixing. Oh man, that was a tarpon. And so hopefully there'll be something other than catfish out here. Hooked up. Hooked up. What we got? Better not be another freaking catfish. What the heck? What the hell's going on? The storm's got everything jetty all jacked up. Freaking catfish. You guys just getting washed out? That's what's happening? I'm getting lots of debris, so we're going to make a little bit of a move to try to get out of some of this current. And this water is pretty murky. And looks like there's no current right here. You can kind of see where all that fresh water is mixing with the salt water out here. Oh, got some garbage out here. Let's see if I can get it. Biggest catch of the day so far. We'll throw that away when we get back. Having to deal with a lot of debris. Go. Here we go. Nice fish. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Freaking holy! Man, this is insane. All the catfish flushed out to the jetty from the. I don't know what to do with myself. This is crazy. Better not be another freaking catfish. Oh, I don't think so. Am I caught up in the line? Yep. What do we got? What do we got here? Holy crap! This is insane. That question gets thrown out there a lot. Is it really good fishing right after a storm, or really bad? And it's usually one or the other, and I think it's latter today. But we're gonna keep moving. Catfish are keeping us busy, but we're out here. We've been stuck in the house a couple days, so it's nice to slowly get out. You know, breast cancer awareness month, so we gotta support that. Seriously, again, let's see what we, probably another cat, and nope, just garbage. Oh man. Well, we're gonna keep bouncing around, not giving up. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh man. Hurricanes bring the cats out. It's a Cat 5 fishing trip. Took me a little while, but I think I finally found some redfish chewing. See how this goes. There we go. There we go. This one's a nice one. This is a nice fish. There we go. Oh, he just let go. What the? Just pulled the hook. Oh, I think I found him though. See if we can do that again. Got one. Got one. Got one. Nice. Nice one. Oh, this is a big sucker. Trying to keep him on this side of the boat. Man, this day was going to be a bust, but I think I found him. I think I found him. Come on, buddy. Almost a leader. He's not ready. He's pulling the boat over. Uh-oh. Getting hooked up over here too. All right, we're going over there. All right. Got some leader. Big red. Big red. Oh, he's not ready to go yet. There we go. Oh yeah, this is a big one. This is another butterball. Holy crap. Been getting some fat reds lately. Trying to get this guy back in the water quick. He is 36-inch red. Whew. Man, catfish day took me a little while, but I think I finally found him. There he goes. Oh, woohoo! Persistence paying off. If you're enjoying the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all that fancy mess. And sometimes we have some rough days, but Hey, sometimes you've got to put in the work. All right, guys, it's low tide, and Lily's very upset. If you can look over here, guys, the island is still underwater at low tide. That's how much water is still flushing out from all the inland coming this way. Is there so much water that at low tide, some of the islands that she runs on is still underwater. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that the fishing adventure, and you know, it looks like Ponce Inlet area got away pretty good. You know, there was some damaged docks, and you know, the pier was the wooden part of the pier, and there's some of the metal that gets busted up. That pretty much gets busted up every bad storm they get, and they got to replace it. So, but you know, there was, most of the docks were intact and stuff. A lot of the sailboats and everything seemed to be pretty good. I expected a bunch to be like in the mangroves and you know, either sunk or in the mangroves, but there was pretty good. There was a little bit of dock damage I saw, but you can see over here that how high the water got. There's like debris. They've already picked up some of it, but you know, it flooded all the way into the parking lot here. It got pretty high, so up over all these docks and everything. But you know, the most of this ramp here still seems to be in pretty good condition. So it's usable. Be careful out there, though. I did see some floating, some submerged stuff that was not really floating away. It's stuck to look like part of a dock or something, and I almost ran into it. Just be careful out there. You know, there's still a lot of floating debris. If you see it, grab it and just you know, throw it away, do your part. And you know, that red was pretty awesome. Thank you guys for, like I said, for joining me. Hit that subscribe button if you know, join all of our adventures. I hope everybody gets through this okay. I know we lost some lives through the storm. Thanks again for joining me, and until we see you next time, guys, stay salty.